Okay, so we're starting this project. This is a redbud tree, and it has fallen over. It's around 20 feet tall. Might not be quite that tall. I could measure it while it's laying down. Anyway, we are going to stand it back up. We've had a lot of rain and some real heavy wind, and it knocked it over, but it's been over for over a week. It hasn't droughted at all, so all its roots are intact, and we can't replace the tree right here and have anything of that size. So we are going to attempt to stand this one up, and we're going to try to record as much of this as we can. Okay, so we have our rope out, and we threw it up or over that limb there. You can kind of see it coming down. There it is here on the ground. We just used a heavy weight, stuck it in the bag, tied the bag to the rope. Now we're going to tie that around two sections of the tree up there towards the top. And then we're going to set some stakes up to catch the tree, and we're going to use the mower to upright it. I was working by myself, so once I started getting it to go, I couldn't stop and go ahead and video it coming up. We ran first, I ran to this tree, which got it up some. I was able to just position the ladders underneath it and keep it there. Then I moved for a different angle. We went to this tree. We were able to come around this tree. I let the mower do most of the work, driving the stake in. Got me out of breath though. But the tree is upright. She looks good. We're gonna tamp the dirt in around it here in a minute. We're gonna put some guides on it so that it can't, hopefully won't fall back over. And hopefully we just saved our redbud tree. We did break one branch up there at the top on its way back up. I gotta cut that off here in a few minutes. And we just used math and science, took it up 2 to 4 inches at a time until we got to the point that it would raise. We were up above the ladder right there when it finally raised up.